For many of the hands-on men like me, we enjoy the nature and at times, working on woods, constructing furnitures and all sorts of structure. However, to get these jobs done, we need powerful and effective tools. I have found this useful tool, the Dirty Hand Tools 100466 35-ton log splitter with Kohler Engine. This tool comes with 35-ton gas log splitting force, useful for both horizontal and vertical operation. It has a powerful pump able to pump 17.5 gallons per minute and has a cycle time of 12.8 seconds. Its Kohler CH395 9.5 horsepower, 277 cc, engine drives its horizontal shaft for all sorts of jobs. This is certainly an useful, safe and powerful tool. Check out Dirty Hand Tools 100466 35-ton log splitter with Kohler Engine on this button today.